Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today we'll be making catfish pepper soup. So right now I've added water to my already washed catfish, adding some salt, and then some crushed garlic, and then some chopped ginger. You can feel free to use the ginger powder and garlic powder if you want. Add some seasoning powder, and then I'm going to give it a gentle stir and cover and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. This is to allow the ingredient penetrate the fish well. Now I'm adding enough water, after which I'll be adding some chopped onions and then some fresh pepper. Yes, I like mine to be really spicy, so I'll be using fresh pepper and some Cameroon pepper to give it that local feel. And of course some pepper soup spice. Our pepper soup is not complete without a pepper soup spice. I'll also be adding some sweet potatoes. This is really optional. You can choose to use yam, you can choose to use plantain, or you can choose to have it plain if you want. So I allow to cook for a bit. And finally, I'll be adding some scent leaf, which I hear is super medicinal. Our pepper soup is ready, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. And please don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my posts. Thank you, guys. Bye.